There, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to ban someone on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to ban someone on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on this video that you want to ban this person on TikTok. Click on this arrow and you can see option here report. Click on report. Now this type of screen and options will appear here. Select a reason. You have to select any reason like hate and harassment. If you are selecting harassment, hate speech and hateful behaviors, you have to submit it done. That person will be banned on your TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.